Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha of channel. Today's video is going to be a very important video for those of you that want to make money online, right? One thing I want you to do is to take this video serious, watch it from beginning to end, because I'll be showing you step by step how you can make over $1,000 typing from the comfort of your home. Now the funny thing is that if you are from Nigeria, any part of the world, you are eligible to work on this platform. One of the major challenges a lot of people have in the internet space is there are so many opportunities out there, but Nigerians are not allowed. But this particular platform, Nigerians are allowed to work on the platform, and the beautiful thing is that you don't need any special skill. You can start from where you are right now and you can begin to start making money online. They will pay you $3 for every 300 words, and they'll pay you like for 6 hours of work you make up to like $45 depending on your typing skills, from $45 to like $90 for 6 hours of work, right? So guys, without further ado, without wasting much of your time, I'll be heading over to my computer screen where I will simplify how this process is, how you can start up, how you can create your account, how you can begin to make money typing from your home. You're welcome to the Alpha, the channel where I teach people how to make money online, affiliate marketing, crypto trading, everything that makes sense, everything that will help you improve your life and make you a better person. That is what I do on this channel. Today's video is going to be a very different one, a very different video, but also very amazing, and a video that can literally change your status. How to make over $1,000 every month typing from your home. One thing I tell people is that there are many ways you can make money online, and the beautiful thing about making money online is that there are some ways to make money online you don't require any skill. Like, you don't need to be exceptional in some things. All you need to do is to have a laptop, have internet access, and just know how to do some basic things. Like, a lot of you type in your computer, you type your assignment, you type your project, you type in your office. There are people that are looking for you online and they're ready to pay you to type, right? There is no free money on the internet except you are going to scam or you're going to steal from somebody. But basically, if you're ready to put in work or you're ready to give value, definitely there is how to make money online. Now the link of this platform, I'm going to put it in my description. It is called talentdesire.com. There are a lot of stuff they offer on their platform, and legitimately they pay, right? Let me first clarify something to you guys. The platform they use to pay people is PayPal. I've made a video on how you can set up a PayPal account from Nigeria from beginning to end, a working PayPal account. So if you have not checked that video, you can check the link in my description and make sure you create your PayPal account so that you can get your money after working so hard. The job you'll be doing on this platform is called the online typing job. Basically, this is one way you can make money from your typing skills. So if you want to earn some extra cash working from your home, from the front of your computer, and you don't want to, go out of your house, or you need something that will fetch you extra money, then this particular platform, Talent Desire, they're looking for typists to perform various tasks for them, and they're ready to pay you. Now, the beautiful thing is that this is not limited to Americans or in Europe. If you're in Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, wherever you are in the world, then you are open to benefit from this platform, right? And they're ready to pay you from between $13,500 to $27,000 per year, depending on your typing skill and your experience. Now the reason I love this platform is that they have different pay rate for different experience level, and I'm going to be showing you all these things one after the other. So if you think you're not an efficient typer, you're just a beginner, then trust me, you can actually start. And if you have been typing, you're a typist, you are good, you are very fast, and yes, you can leverage on this and make more money, right? So guys, how do this thing work? Now, talentdesire.com have a lot of clients that are looking for people that is going to work as typists for them. So what they are doing is that they are recruiting typists, people that are ready to work as freelancers from the comfort of their home, and they begin to pay them. Now, if you are a beginner typist, per word you'll be earning 0.001 penny per word, which means per article you should be earning up to like $3 per 300 words. $3 per 300 words with current Nigeria exchange rate is like 3 times 750, that's over 2,000 plus for 300 words. Now in dollars it might look kind of small, but you convert this money into naira, it is a big deal, right? Now for the intermediate level, that means you are not a beginner, you can type better than a beginner. A beginner is like the person that's pressing the word 1111, but intermediate level, if you can type at an intermediate level, you'll be collecting $3.60. So for 300 words you'll be making $3.60 for every 300 words you type. Now if you're a professional typist, you are very good at typing, you are very fast, you'll be collecting 15 penny per word. So For every 300 words, as a professional typist, you'll be collecting $4.50. Trust me, that is huge amount of money in naira. And if you are expert simply means you dey type finish. You know, there are some women that they type all these affidavit documents. You work in a cyber cafe, you are very fast at typing, you have a strong efficiency level, then they'll be paying you $6 per 300 words. Trust me, this is very huge, because 300 words is just very easy. Like, even writing my YouTube description, I use more than 300 words. So if you have 600 words, it means you are making like $12. 1000 words, you are making more than $18, right? So guys, a lot of people can actually make good amount of money from this platform if you're ready to put in the work. And the beautiful thing is that you can start from the comfort of your room. Now, if you are working for 6 hours every day, then the target is for you to make like 15 pages. Like, you should be able to type 15 pages. And if you are typing as a beginner with $300 per page, right, you'll be making $45 every day. So $45 times 850, the current exchange rate is like 850, even though it is not stable. Then in a day, look at this, you are making 38,250 naira. 38,250 naira is not small money, trust me. In fact, when you people start making money from this stuff, you have to pay tithe. Now me give you update, right? Now if you are typing and you are typing as an intermediate, somebody that have a good knowledge of typing, you are not a beginner but you are not a professional, you'll be making $54. So in other words, you'll be making $54 times current exchange rate is around 850. Yeah, the time I'm recording this video is 45,900 naira every day, or more cash out. Now if you are not at intermediate, you are a professional, like you have a good knowledge of typing, you know, and let's say you are doing 15 pages a day, that is, you're making like $67.50. Let's multiply it to $67.50 times 850 naira is how much? 57,375 naira. 57,000 naira. That is somebody's salary for 1 month. Trust me, this stuff are not easy, I know, but there is nothing in life that is easy. Being broke is actually not easy. So why don't you just sit down and make some money, like work yourself out and make money, right? Now if you make this money, like probably you just work for like 1 week straight, you make good amount of money, you just chill. The reason most of us sit down in the comfort of our house and we make money off the internet, we make money online, is because the money has more value than waking up in the morning, going into traffic and stressing yourself to make money. At the end of the day, you don't even know what the money you have used it to do. Let's look at this. Now if you are an expert writer, that means you can be making up to $90 a day if you can write 15 pages. So look at this, $90 a day, $90 a day times 15 pages, right? Look at it, you are making $1,350 already. Let's say you are a beginner, right? A beginner, you are making $45 a day. If we multiply $45 by 25 days in a week, 25 days excluding the weekend, right, we have like $1,125. That is where you see that you can make over $1,125 typing. Now multiply it by 850 in naira. Let's say you want to convert your money from Abuki, you are making almost $1 million naira, 956,250 naira. The funny thing is that a lot of people ask me, how far have you typed before, have you done this? Yes, when I started my journey on the internet of how to make money online, I did transcription job, but this was not the platform I did my own transcription job. This one, they even pay better than the platform I did my transcription job. I'm going to do a video on that totally for a platform that I did my own transcription job. But this particular platform pays because I've done a lot of research and I see that yes, there's money in this stuff. People like us, we have graduated in the ladder. When you're coming in the make money online space, you'll be looking for survey job, you're looking for transcription job, you're looking for what do you call it, writing blog content. That is where you start from. There when you begin to advance, you now start going to advanced skills like the way we have gotten to. But for you that are looking for how to make money and you don't have any skill for now, this is something you should really consider going into. So look at it, they even made the calculation that at the end of 25 days you should be making like $1,125 if you are just a beginner, and in naira you are collecting crazy amount of money, right? So the thing is, they have designed an online earning simulator which helps you calculate the kind of earning that you can earn with them. So you can go on to check all this stuff. Now the requirement is very important. For you to start, you just need basic knowledge of internet and English. If you can hear English, I have have come, you have basic knowledge of the internet, trust me, you can start. And you need a minimum of 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer. This is something you can actually do. It's something you can achieve. There are a lot of typing tools you can use to increase your typing skills. You need 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer. A lot of you don't know how to calculate your typing speed, so the first thing you need to do is to just go on Google search and search for typing speed test, so that you can know the level you find yourself. When you open typing speed test, you can just open this first link here, typingtest.com, and you can complete a typing game or typing challenge in 60 seconds to know your typing speed. If your typing speed is not up to 30 to 50 words, that is not a problem. Now still go back to Google and come to this second website I'm showing you here, right? Look at it, typing practice. You search for typing practice on Google and come here. You can open any of this one, keybr.com, typing practice, or typing study, practice. These are online platforms you can learn how to type and increase your typing speed. Once you can check your typing speed and it is between 30 to 50 words per minute, then you are good to go. The last thing you need is a computer with high internet speed. Please don't use I wanted to mention a company, I wanted to mention Glo, but I'm not going to mention Glo. Please make sure you use a fast internet speed, very very fast, so that you can make a lot of money very fast and you will be able to deliver on your target. Right now, if you are able to meet all these requirements, then you are good to go. The next thing you are going to do for me is I'm going to put the link to this platform so that you will just get access straight to this page and you will not have any problem. Trust me, the opportunity I'm showing you here, you don't need one kobo to start. For you to register on this platform, it is absolutely free. There is no hidden cost, there is no hidden charges, there is no anything. And yes, there is something they call the online typing demo work. The platform has created an online tutorial that can help you develop your typing skills so that you can be efficient when you are working with them. And all you need to do is you just need to open this link, the demo work link. Just open it in your browser. There you can get access to various online training tips and tricks to help you succeed in no time. Right now, if you want to collect your money, the way they make their payment via PayPal. Right, something that is very important for you to take note of is that this is a business, this is no joke here. So your accuracy must be very very accurate. Like when you are typing, whatever you are typing, your spelling must be on point. I will advise you to download Grammarly software or have Grammarly as a plugin. Look at my laptop now, you can see this is Grammarly plugin, so that it can help you correct your English, so that it can even give you an efficiency between 98 to 99%. You will not have any issue collecting your money. If you do a terrible job, you will not get paid. Right now, something I want you guys to understand is I don't make these videos because I want to make video. I make this video because I want to help somebody out there. It will not be of service to you if you don't take action. Take action, try this stuff. I'm so sure that if you put in the work, you're going to get money out of it. I started making money on the internet because people taught me stuff like this. I believed it, I tried it, and I started seeing the results. If you don't try, just watch the video, you like the video, you leave a comment, you move to the next video, you're not going to get anything out of it. So for you to start, you just click on this apply now, and there you're going to see the place where you're going to put in all your information, your email address, your password, everything that concerns you, and all the guide you need for your application. You're going to see it here. But this is where I'll be stopping the video, because I'll put a link in the description that will take you to the platform and how you can create your account and everything. Right, I don't want this video to be too long because people have low attention span. If you like this video, you like content like this, you find this helpful, please leave a comment and tell me to make video on the platform I started my own typing game on. One, and number two, if you want me to make more videos like this, leave a comment and tell me more videos. If you find this content interesting, like this video, share this video so that others can benefit from it, so that the algorithm can suggest the video. At this point, I want you to know that I love you. I really do love you. I want to see you guys make money on this platform. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.